Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday we said, analysis on the euro currency, we said that, well, for market to keep the bullish context, it has to stay above 106.15 area. So we were discussing the possible retracement here. OP has been completed and we said let's keep watching for a pullback. And the market has to stay above 106.50 to keep short-term bullish context. So somewhere around we could consider possible taking long position if everything will be okay. So no problem if we will not get any collapse or something. Yes, we've got really poor numbers on Europe concerning the sentiment, and generally it's keep deteriorating. So we could say that the economy of the European Union is destructuring. So in a longer term perspective, currently with all this mess on the Middle East, obviously the energy cost for Europe will be more expensive because Euro Union has no ability to import the energy by land. So they strongly depend on deliveries of the liquid natural gas by sea. And in the current circumstances, hardly it will be really cheaper in the nearest time, which means that overall situation in the European economy will become tougher. And hardly we will get some improvement in nearest time. So many traders right now on analysis tell that probably retracement down is exhausting against the United States dollar and hinting on the possible problems in the United States economy. That should push the euro higher. But I think they just forget about the situation inside the European Union. So from that standpoint, we're not changing our long-term view, but in the short term, we have few moments that I would like to show you, which really put the shadow on the bullish perspective of the euro currency. And this is even not because of this recent pullback, because formally on the daily chart, nothing actually has happened. So we have the bullish trend. Yes, we have here is engulfing. Market even could show a bit deeper downside action. But I do not like a few other moments. And first of all, if you take a look at the Great British Pound, you will see the cross-market divergence. Take a look that on the euro currency market has completed this ABCD-OP target, while on the Great British Pound you do not see it. You can see that this low stands under this area. This recent performance stands not even because of the actually problems in the euro, although it probably could add some negative tone in overall performance, but this collapse also stands on the Great British Pound, which means that the source of this collapse is the strength of the United States dollar. And on the Great British Pound is obviously you're getting some shape of the butterfly. So from the technical point of view, this picture on the Great British Pound looks of course more attractive because you're getting nicely looking engulfing pattern right on the starting of the right wing. So it is easy to trade down on the euro currency. But actually mostly they in general are very similar on the possible perspective. Now, if you will take a look at the dollar index, you will see that market sharply has turned up and almost has formed bullish reversal session, bullish reversal bar. And that is a bit also looks bearish for the euro by two reasons. First of all, take a look, market is ignoring the OP. It has not completed. It has not completed the same OP target as on the euro. It's turning up before this will happen. And take a look, we're getting the bullish divergence on the United States dollar. So these two factors, the cross-market divergence, performance of the dollar index, really put the shadow on the bullish perspective on the euro currency. So yesterday we haven't got a chance to take the long position, and now we probably should in general for some time to forget about it, because market also has broken through the conference level that we have talked about yesterday. So on follow time frame chart, take a look what we have. Here is actually huge engulfing after the butterfly. Butterfly, take a look, was not limited by just the minimum target. So it was not just the 30% retracement. Market collapsed lower. It means that this butterfly could lead to a bit more significant consequences in terms of the possible downward action. So formally, we could say that market stands somewhere around major 50% support area. With the detailed look on the hourly chart, take a look. That's what has happened with our recent confidence area. We have just collapsed. So no chances actually even to consider possible taking the long position. It's just market already has been broken immediately through this level. No patterns have been formed here, even on the lower time frame. So since we have a huge engulfing pattern right now on a daily chart, and in general overall performance stands bearish, we currently can't consider taking the long position and need to wait for a performance that is typical for performance around the engulfing pattern. We need to watch for some pullback here. So supposedly it might be around 106.23 area, the 30% level of the first one to watch. And also it is broken confidence, disrespected confidence, which also will work like the resistance. So this area around 106.20 might be the first area that you could consider. And in general, watch for a shape of this retracement. It should be gradual. If it will be kind of some ABCD patterns or something that sort, will be slow. Well, in this case, it is possible to consider bearish positions around it. If we will get once again this type of action here, of course, it would be better to not take any short position by far. But something tells me that, well, based on performance on the dollar index, based on performance on the cable, bears have more chance right now to succeed rather than bulls. The only adjustment might be if we will get some really poor numbers on the United States economy late in this week. But for now, short-term context looks bearish.